Are you not able to draw traffic and attention towards your brand? Or people visit your site but there are no sales? Don't worry. You just have to implement some copywriting tips as it helps you build a relationship with your customers. It also helps in boosting your traffic and generating sales at the same time. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta and today in this video I am going to share some website copywriting tips that can help you to increase your traffic to your website and also boost your sales. First tip of copywriting is understanding who your target audience is. And for that, you need to create a buyer persona. Buyer personas are simply a profile of the ideal customers of your business. For example, as you can see on the screen, I have also created a buyer persona for our business. This is a detail of our buyer in its raw form. I have also mentioned the challenges, pain points and other demographic information. If you want to know more about how to create a buyer persona, you can watch my video on how to create a detailed buyer persona for your business. The link is in the description below. Tip number 2 is emphasize action. Tell me one thing, according to you, what exactly is conversion? It's an action, right? So how are you going to make your audience take action? If you want more people to buy your products or services or contact you, then you need to inject some action words in your copywriting, especially those words which provoke your audience to take action. For example, you must have heard of Nike's tagline, that is just do it, and Adidas tagline, that is impossible is nothing. These are not just words, these are action provoking statements which eventually provoke the audience to take action. So now let's talk about tip number 3, which is write SEO friendly content. SEO and websites copywriting go hand in hand. If you can optimize your content for Google algorithms, the audience you are targeting can easily find your content in no time. While writing SEO friendly content, you need to take care of a couple of things like understand what your target audience wants, integrate appropriate keywords in your content, write an attractive meta title and a meta description to draw attention of the users. So tip number 4 is use psychological tricks. Using psychological tricks can be very beneficial for you. You can use the concept of loss aversion on your website for generating more and more sales. It's a psychological concept that is about the fear of loss in people's mind. Usually this trick is used in marketing, but you can use it in copywriting as well. So write in such a way that creates the fear of loss and urgency in people's mind. When a visitor sees they have limited time to avail themselves of some service or buy a product, it creates a sense of urgency in their mind which eventually leads them to make decisions urgently. So tip number 5 is make use of AIDA model. It's AIDA model. You should keep the model in your mind while writing for your website. Many big brands like Coca-Cola implemented this model in their business. For example, what they did was they caught the attention of the audience from their posters. They had run a zero original campaign consisting of posters on billboards and bus stations. The posters were black in color and the question was written in red color. The campaign had attracted a massive amount of people before they know anything about the product. After catching their attention, it's important to make them feel interested in your product, and the Coca-Cola team had done it very well. In that campaign, they incorporated the word zero with it, and here people started noticing that word and were curious to know what was represented here. As they can develop the desire among people regarding the product, they also focused on the fact that it doesn't contain sugar. It tastes the same as any of the other beverage. This way, they have stimulated the audience to try how it is different. Now, this is the stage where you gain or lose the customer. The customer has fallen into the funnel and they are ready to take action because they have designed the stage as per the AIDA model. Tip number 6, make your content easy to read. First of all, see the content. Now see the second one. So tell me, which content is easy to read and appealing to the eyes? Obviously the second one, right? So remember, always write your content in simple and attractive ways. You can also use visuals or infographics to make your content more attractive. For example, see this blog. It is consisting of more visuals as compared to context. Tip number 7. Create a strong call to action button. If you want to increase your conversion rate and persuade visitors to take particular action, then you should wisely choose your CTA button. Your action decision includes several things like asking customers to learn more, filling out a survey, or buy now. Let me explain it with an example from my own website. Here on the landing page, I have given a CTA button to watch a video, and above it, I explained what this video is all about. These words are enough to provoke my visitor to take the action that I want them to take. Website copywriting is not as difficult as it seems, but you just need some right tricks to do that. So these are my simple and easy to apply copywriting tips that can definitely increase your traffic and sales. So if you have any questions, feel free to write in the comment section below. I'll personally answer those. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.